Hello, welcome to today's one more session. So here in this video session we will practice how to solve the problem on a plane figure. The plane figure given here, it is a thin 30 degrees 60 degrees set square has its longest edge on VP and inclined at 30 degrees to HP. Its surface makes an angle of 45 degrees with VP. 45 degrees with VP. So that is the problem. So now we have to solve this problem. So now here assume the suitable size for the set square. Suitable size for the set square. Here, so first let us assume the size for the set square according to the sheet. According to sheet here, so I will assume the length of the side, length of longest edge, length of longest edge, I will take 60 mm. I will take 60 mm. So depending upon the size of the sheet, you can take 70 mm, 80 mm, 90 mm, like that you can take. So that length you can assume. Here I am assuming 60 mm length, 60 mm length as longest edge. So now it is resting on longest edge. One first condition is surface is inclined at 45 degrees with VP. That means when the surface is inclined at with VP, it is before inclination it was parallel to VP and a true shape is obtained in top view. You have to start the drawing with the top view. And the second condition is when it is resting on its edge. Here it is given resting on edge. That means this vertical line should be on the left hand side. So now again using compass you have to mark using set square is enough. Using set square and taking the first point as reference line, inclined line at an angle of 30 degrees. First one I am taking as a 30 degrees and another end point as a reference line using same protractor. Another line I am taking at 60 degrees. So now joining these two lines here, that is the point where these two lines, that is a line drawn at 60 degrees and a line drawn at 30 degrees intersects. So that is the third point. So now if you mark the notations, so let me take this as a first point A dash, second point B dash, and the third point C dash. Okay, now I am drawing projectors downwards, like this. Projectors downwards, project. But here it is given that it is on VP it is given. On VP means, so here top view will be on XY line. So now let me draw the XY line at convenient distance from the front view, convenient distance. So now here it is reference line XY, reference line. Now here it is given, it is on VP. On VP means the top view should touch XY line. Our top view will be on the XY line. So like this. So now you are looking from the top to mark the notations in the top view. Now B is visible, mark it as B. C is visible, mark it as C. And A is not visible, keep it in bracket. Now at convenient distance, take the point, and here the surface condition is given as 45 degrees with VP. 45 degrees with VP means inclination will be in the HP. Now at 45 degrees, mark the point and draw inclined line, like this, inclined line, thick line. Now you have to transfer the distance BC. You have to transfer the distance B and C using compass. 1 minute. So using compass, transfer this distance B and C. Use this compass B to C. Transfer the distance, and this is the distance, and angle here it is 45 degrees surface inclination. Now marking notations B1, C1 and A1 is in bracket. Now draw projections upward from B, upward projection projecting upwards like this. Then from C also projector upward, right. Then horizontal thin projectors, very thin projectors. So now horizontal projector from B1 B dash, then horizontal projector from C dash, then horizontal projector from A dash, okay, like this, thin projectors. Now you have to mark the points B1 vertical, B1 dash horizontal, so B dash horizontal, that is B1 dash. Then A1 vertical, A dash horizontal, A1 dash. C vertical, C dash horizontal, you are getting C1 dash. Now make a thick line with A1 dash and B1 dash. A1 dash, B1 dash, then A1 dash with C1 dash, C1 dash, then C1 dash with B1 dash. So here you are getting same shape similar to first one, but not in same size, not of same size. It is foreshortened size. So this is first stage. Here it is assumption and first stage. Now, so here it is given longest edge is inclined at 30 degrees to HP. 30 degrees to HP. That means inclination will be in VP. Anywhere on the sheet, mark the point. Now using protractor, taking that point with XY line as reference line. So inclined line at an angle of 30 degrees. Mark the point. Then join that point. Okay, extend it. Okay, right. Now you have to transfer this distance here. So listen, which one you have to transfer? Not the figure in the assumption, figure in the first stage. Take this distance A1 dash, B1 dash, A1 dash and B1 dash. First anywhere on this point. Okay, transfer here. So the first point like this, then it will be B2 dash and A2 dash. Now using compass, you can project it upward or you can project it downwards. So now I have taken B2 here, C2 here. Now I will take B1 dash, C1 dash, B1 dash, C1 dash as radius, and B2 center arc, thin arc. Similarly, A1 dash and C1 dash as radius. So A1 C1 dash as radius. So A2 dash center, cut the former arc. Now join this arc with B2 dash and similarly with A2 dash. Now you have transferred the front view to the given angle, that is longest edge, which is making an angle of 30 degrees. Now B2 dash, A2 dash and C2 dash. Okay. Now projections downwards. Okay. Both will not be in the same line. There will be small difference may be there. Okay. When you draw it, you will be noticing. Then you draw it, you will be noticing. So here I should show some difference here. So like this. Projector, then again projector, then horizontal projector from C1, then from B1 and A1. It is on VP it is given, so it is already is there. Okay. So now this is the C2 line. So now coming to locating the points B1 horizontal, B2 vertical, that is B2, B2 dash vertical, that is B2, C1 horizontal, C2 vertical, that is C2, C2 not dash, C2. Then A1 horizontal, A2 dash vertical, that is A2, A2. Now make a thick line between C2 and B2, B2, then again A2 and B2, then again A2 and C2, C2 and C2, that's all. So now it finishes. Now check once again what are the conditions given. So longest edge on VP, top view is touching XY line, correct. Then resting on, before that the surface is inclined with VP, parallel to VP, true shape is obtained in front view, that is also correct. Longest edge, resting on longest edge, so the perpendicular edge, it is on left hand side, correct. Then 45 degrees inclination, this is also correct. Again the longest edge is at an angle of 30 degrees with HP, in VP inclination transfer the distances. So finally you are obtaining the final top view also, okay, like this. So you can practice the same problem with changing. Here instead of VP, if you can take HP, and instead of HP you can take VP, and this value 45 degrees also you can change it with HP, and you can practice similar problem. So that the surface is inclined with HP also you can practice. So this is the final, and you have checked all the conditions also. All the conditions are also satisfied. Very good.